All right, y'all, here we go with Project Restore. Got stuck. Rowdy got stuck moving the dumpster in. Right here, y'all. We're going to go take a look. This is Tanya's mama's house, or know why we got it in front of our house here. And we moved it in here for her when she retired, and she passed away right after Hurricane Ida almost destroyed it. I mean, this tree, all these trees went down on her house. We got a new roof put on it, but we hadn't cleaned out the inside. And anyway, it's got some damage and stuff, and we're gonna get it cleaned out and get it redone, and maybe we can start using it a little bit. But anyway, let's go inside. All right, here we go. We ain't got no steps to get in here. Got the dumpster right there. So let's see if we can get in here. Oh, all right. So there's a lot of stuff in here that we're going to keep, and there's a lot of stuff we're going to throw away. We're going to throw away this refrigerator. It still has the food and stuff left in it. And so we're going to throw away that. And then, you know, all the stuff in the cabinets we're going to throw away. You know, like these cookies here and the old food that's been here. Now, come in here. Here's where the real damage is. A big limb went down through the ceiling right there. You can actually still see part of the limb right there, all the insulation, all that. We're gonna get all this cleaned up and get all this out of here. And then once we get all this cleaned up and all out, we'll start the process of rebuilding and putting in a new ceiling in here. And then in the bedroom, walk around here. Let's see, bedroom, same thing. You got a big hole in the roof here where a limb came through, and we're gonna have to change all this out. Got a little mold right there, and we'll get all that changed out. The bathroom though is in really good shape, just needs to be cleaned up and everything. And going through Tanya's mama stuff, her and Brandy's gonna go through it and see what they're gonna wanna keep. So her old chair is flipped over. These rooms back here, this room here fared out really well. Like no damage at all, don't stink, nothing in here. And we're gonna put some of the stuff in here. And there's Tanya's mama's clothes, and got to go through the stuff in here, see what they're gonna throw away. And then here in this room here, another tree went through it here and there, so we got to tear all this down. We're gonna throw away the old mattress and stuff, and kind of start going through all these old books and everything. So bathroom's in good shape, just need to be cleaned out. And we'll come in here, y'all, put a fresh coat of paint on all these walls, put a fresh coat of paint on everything, get everything cleaned out, get the ceilings repaired, get the power back on. I don't know what we're going to do with the piano. Tanya really don't want it, and Brandy doesn't want it. And let's see here. I'll show y'all. So let's move breathing stuff. Let's see something here. Little piano. And the piano still plays. That's the only thing I know on. But anyway, I don't know what we're going to do with this old piano. I think Brandy and Tanya might throw it away. Here's the old piano. And we'll be getting rid of it. And anyway, china cabinet over in the corner, still good. Utility room. We got a little spot here. We're going to have to do something with it too. So anyway, we'll keep y'all updated on this project. It's right here in the front yard. We'll keep y'all updated on how everything goes. And in Project Restore Tanya's mama's house, Miss Claudine's house. So we're going to see what happens.